Okay, so I recently got these Sony WF-1000XM3s. Um, so these are the Sony seconds from the Sony Australia eBay store. So you can say these are the refurbished units. Well, I got this one 2 or 3 days ago. I tested it. Uh, I really liked it. So I can't see like any damage uh, outside this case or on the units as well. So I ordered one more unit for my wife, which I'm going to unbox right now. So this is what I just received um, in the mail. This is what it looks like. It says repacked. So I'll quickly use the knife here to get rid of this. Okay. I just want to show you what it looks like when you receive a refurbished unit um, from Sony. I'll say something here. It's a sticker thingy. I don't know. Maybe it's for the warehouse guys, but it's there. So this is the box itself, and that is it. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see. It doesn't have a proper seal, but it has like a duct tape here. You can see. Well, the ones I got here had one more sticker over here that said Sony seconds. So seconds are the refurbished units or customer returns. So they are checked and tested by the technicians, um, and then because they can't be sold as new, um, they the Sony has to sell them off somewhere. So I mean, a lot of companies usually do that. You can buy refurbished cameras. You can buy refurbished headphones. So in this case, I have. Oh, there we go. So that's the second sticker I was talking about. Not bad. Okay, we could quickly open this box. So there we go. So this one also is looking pretty brand new. So there are no marks, no scratches. And there we go. Looks very clean. I mean, I can't say that this is even a refurbished unit. It looks pretty good. And there we go. This looks like a form to me. Okay, so I just noticed a little bit of difference here. So this one is mine that I received 2 days ago. It came with this silicone tip, and this one came with this memory foam one. So let's see what else, because I'm not sure. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so you get all of your tips here. That is pretty good. So in this case, I okay. So in this case, this pair came with like extra memory foam tip, which is good, and yeah, that makes more sense. There we go. Anyway, guys, this looks good as well and unused. And let's have a close look. Anyway, I have ordered some D brand skins for both of these units. One is for my wife and one is for myself. So yep, that's all I wanted to show you, that this is what you get from Sony when you buy a refurbished something. So obviously they might have been used and customer didn't like it and returned these to the stores because of some reason, because they didn't fit well in their ear, they didn't sound well, they were disconnecting, um, or change of mind maybe. But anyway, so yeah, obviously like new ones are going for 270 something in the store, and I got it for 152 for my pair and 142 for my wife's through some eBay discount voucher or something. So yep, that's all I wanted to show. Thanks very much. If you have any questions regarding the performance of these refurbished headphones, just let me know. I've tested mine. They are very good. They fit very well, and I'm not really fussy about the size or if they are loose. I'm fine. I mean, I've saved some money, so I shouldn't whinge that much. These are premium products. They feel very good. They look very good. Yep. So that was it. Thanks very much. See you next time.